today we're going to be doing how to explode a volcano experiment. And here's my volcano that I made at school. And the supplies that you'll need is vinegar, baking soda, dish soap, and food coloring. The food coloring is optional. And we're going to be using a little bit of warm water. What we're going to do is mix warm water, food coloring, dish soap, and baking soda in this little cup, and then pour it in with the vinegar. So, yeah.
Okay, so you got your dish soap in there already, so you won't need a whole lot of that, just like one drop because it goes far. There you go.
Let's do 2, just in case. And then baking soda. Get this baking soda.
We get a healthy serving of it. Keep going.
Think that's good.
Don't be scared.
You think that's enough?
You filming? There it is. That's your lava. It kind of looks like blood. When it's all liquidy, that's when you know it's done. Ew. That's a little bit chunky when it's the leftovers. Oh, crap. Oh, God.
There it goes.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Holy crap. Mom, and you can do this how many times you want. So, look. Then it'll just keep on going. Wow. That's so cool.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, what if it